Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's just dive right into it. Today, we're demystifying the reality of data analysis in the year 2026. Now, if you've been paying any attention to the data landscape lately, you know that AI is rapidly expanding and fundamentally transforming how we work. But rather than getting caught up in all the hype, we're going to look really clearly and methodically at what the data actually says about your career, your daily tasks, and how you can thrive in this completely new environment.
Here's what we're looking at today. First, AI. Augmentation, not replacement. Second, what AI actually automates. Third, top AI tools in 2026. Fourth, evolving analyst skills and roles. And finally, how to adapt and thrive.
All right, Section 1, AI augmentation, not replacement.
So let's just tackle the absolute biggest elephant in the room right off the bat. Will AI replace data analysts? Look, it's a completely valid fear, right? It's the provocative thought driving a ton of industry anxiety right now. Everyone, from junior analysts to seasoned vets, is kind of wondering about their job security when algorithms can crunch millions of rows of data in, literally, milliseconds. But we need to look at what's actually happening on the ground.
And here is the reality check. AI does not fully replace data analysts. It augments them. That is the core thesis from our source material, and it totally shifts the narrative from job replacement to human augmentation. Yes, routine tasks are definitely getting automated, but human judgment, that remains absolutely essential. We still desperately need humans for output validation, for applying deep domain knowledge, and for making those really complex, nuanced business decisions that a machine just can't contextualize.
Think of it this way. We're moving away from getting completely bogged down in boilerplate work. Instead of spending, countless hours manually cleaning data, writing basic SQL queries, or hunting down missing values, the AI handles the repetition, which is huge because it frees you up for higher value work. Now you can focus your time on pure strategy, understanding the business context, and translating all that data into compelling stakeholder communication. It's an incredible productivity boost that practically elevates you from being a human calculator to a vital strategic advisor.
Moving on to Section 2. What AI actually automates. Let's do a really quick rundown of the grunt work AI is actually handling today. First up, data cleaning and preparation. AI is now proactively suggesting fixes for missing values, spotting outliers, and automating transformations. Then there's exploratory data analysis, or EDA, where AI delivers automated visualizations and finds initial patterns almost instantly. It's also crushing code generation, spitting out accurate SQL, Python, or DAX for your models. For visualization and reporting, it's auto-generating entire dashboards and summaries. It even tackles predictive analytics like anomaly detection, all while tying the whole shebang together with end-to-end workflow automation. I mean, just think about the massive amount of time saved on initial formatting alone. It's wild.
Imagine just turning to your dataset and asking, what drove the sales drop last quarter? That's natural language querying, or NLQ. You don't have to write some crazy multi-layered SQL join just to get a basic business answer anymore. You can literally just ask a plain English question exactly like this one, and the AI hands you back charts, explanations, and reports. It brilliantly illustrates how accessible and democratized data querying has become for pretty much everyone across the organization.
Okay, Section 3, Top AI Tools in 2026. Now, knowing which tool to actually use for which specific task is absolutely crucial. For quick exploratory data analysis and fast code generation, ChatGPT is an awesome starting point, especially for one-off analyses. But if you're dealing with really complex reasoning, multi-step analyses, or maybe you need a huge context window for an entire codebase, Claude is usually the go-to. If you live within a Microsoft enterprise ecosystem, Power BI with Copilot is phenomenal for natural language Q&A right inside your reports. And if you're a non-coder who needs rapid visual analysis on uploaded files, Julius AI is incredibly powerful. There are definitely some other heavy hitters to mention here too. Tableau is still a powerhouse for advanced storytelling, but now it's supercharged with Pulse and Einstein AI. ThoughtSpot is leading the charge in search-driven natural language analytics on massive warehouse data. Over in big data, Databricks offers the AI/Genie, which brings conversational analytics directly to the lakehouse. We've also got Google Looker integrated with Gemini and highly specialized tools like Pandas AI for tight Python integration. The main takeaway here? Most modern business intelligence platforms now have these built-in AI copilots, meaning you get seamless integration without constantly having to switch between apps.
Which brings us to Section 4, Evolving Analyst Skills and Roles.
So we are seeing the rapid rise of a brand new industry standard. By definition, an augmented analyst is a data professional who combines robust AI literacy, prompt engineering capabilities, and critical evaluation skills. You use these skills to rigorously validate AI outputs because we definitely have to catch any potential hallucinations, right? And then you focus your energy on strategic, cross-functional business impact. Actually, while junior roles focused purely on routine data entry might shrink, the demand for this highly adaptable augmented analyst is just growing exponentially. Your business acumen and your storytelling skills, those are your biggest assets now. Finally, Section 5, How to Adapt and Thrive.
All right, so how do we actually do this? Here's a practical 4-step blueprint to upgrade your skills starting right now. Step 1. Start with general large language models, or LLMs. Get your hands dirty. Experiment with the free tiers of ChatGPT or Claude for your daily tasks just to build that baseline familiarity. Step 2. Integrate BI Copilots into your stack. Start utilizing the AI that's already built into the tools your company pays for, like Power BI or Tableau. Step 3. Learn prompt engineering. This is literally the new coding language. You have to learn how to structure data-specific prompts to make these tools work for you effectively. And Step 4. Validate and expand AI insights. Never, ever accept an AI's first output as gospel. Use your critical thinking to validate the numbers and expand on the why behind the insights to provide true business value.
Look, the field is evolving at just a breakneck pace. The premier tools of 2026 are heavily emphasizing trustworthiness, strict governance, and highly autonomous, agentic workflows, where the AI actually acts independently on your behalf, which leaves us with this final, really vital question to consider. As tools emphasize these agentic workflows in 2026, is your AI literacy keeping pace? The absolute key to job security and thriving in this new era is staying adaptable. Take a look at your own tool belt today and ask yourself what step you can take right now to become the ultimate augmented analyst. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.